So, I'm standing right here in the middle of the boys area for Camp Hope, and you can kind of see what we're up to. This is going to be 4 showers right there. I'm standing at some sports equipment storage space, place for 3 toilets right here, and this is going to be an essential building for this summer. We have to have these showers up and running because these are going to service our boys' cabins. The really cool thing is this building is going to provide all this extra storage space for all of our inflatables, all of our outreach equipment for youth camps. It also is going to be these bathrooms, and we're all set up. We have all the infrastructure already in place, so it's only going to cost us about $30,000 to get this in place. So that's really amazing, and it's one of the projects we have to get done before July.